Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on TrustWallet, guys. So this is very easy to actually go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do, guys, is you're going to want to go ahead and click the buy button. Now from here, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Bitcoin. Now you guys can see $150 is already right here. Now the minimum purchase amount is about $50. So we're going to go ahead and go with that. Now that goes for every other transaction in the TrustWallet. So $50 is the bare minimum purchase price for crypto. So you're going to want to go ahead and select your party provider for the crypto that gives you the best rates. Now obviously it does filter it out for you already, so you guys can see Mercurio is currently the best rate. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and then we're going to go ahead and go next. Now it's going to get you to this website where, it's going to pretty much put you on the exchange for Bitcoin where you can actually go ahead and buy. Now all you got to do is put your email, and then you can just go ahead and subscribe to a newsletter if you want. But once you go ahead and do that, you're going to press continue, and then you're going to go ahead and pay for it. So once that's actually done, the Bitcoin is going to be added to your Trust Wallet, and the Bitcoin is actually going to be yours to actually own, guys. So once you buy Bitcoin on the exchange, it's going to get sent to your Trust Wallet, and you will actually own that Bitcoin. So extremely useful, guys, and simple to actually go ahead and do, guys. But hopefully you found that video extremely helpful, guys. If you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. But basically, hopefully you found the video extremely helpful, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next videos.